Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life Scrapbooking and Card Making, and welcome to my part of our Fall Crafts 2018 YouTube Hop. I want to thank my co-host Robin Pitts for her help in putting this hop together. Robin has brought us some amazing crafters. You're going to see projects from myself and Robin, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. You're going to see works from Sandra, who is Creative Papercraft, Janet, who is Sugarshine Designs, and Carol from Carol Herlock. And you'll find links to the lineup in the description area below. For my giveaway, I'll be giving away this cute fall theme mini album to one lucky subscriber. The mini album measures 8 by 5.5. It has a 3.5-inch spine and 22 pages front and back. This mini album is made from scratch. It is constructed out of chipboard, and I used a fall theme paper pad that I bought from Michael's last year, and I also have some fall theme cardstock that I used on it as well. Because I wanted to make this mini album about the pictures and not about the embellishments, I kept the embellishments very simple. As you will notice, it is just cutouts from the collection, and here and there you're going to find fall themed stickers from my stash. For your chance to win this mini album, you must be a visible subscriber to all in our lineup and leave a comment in our hot videos. And of course, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Now, my giveaway is open internationally, but you must be 18 years or older to enter in my giveaways. And this hop and giveaway is not sponsored, so please show the other ladies some love, as they have worked diligently in making this hop possible. Our giveaways close on Wednesday, October 17th at 6 a.m. Central. We'll announce our winners on Saturday, October 20th. If you want to be considered for my giveaway, you must also include the following phrase in the comments section below: Fall Crafts 2018. I hope that you've enjoyed my fall theme mini album project share. Don't forget to visit the other ladies in the lineup, and the next crafter you'll come across is Robin Pitts. Thank you so very much for watching.